Okay, mother, help me hold my leg. Let the training station start. Okay, you two there, please keep calm for me. Oh yeah, 1 and 2 and it's 3 and 4. I have to 5, 302 letter 6. No, that I'm the real man. 7. How many calories is that now? 8, 9. Clap for me, please. This thing is not easy. Let me put in some extra work to have that Mamba mentality. I think I've broken my spine now.
Jesus is Lord.